don't miss a beat. Unless it's my heartbeat, because I can't hear that.
This video is not brought to you by Red Bull. All right, buddy, you ready?
Yeah.
Part 2, we're back at it.
Yep.
Get this bike finished up.
Oh, yeah.
I think we should start with this little engine here that you got.
Okay.
This thing's pretty sweet, but as we found out last time, we need a special engine plate to connect it into the bike, because it's a little 79cc, so it's got a different like mounting bolt pattern. I thought we were gonna have to get this from our friends at Go Power Sports, but it was just hiding in the box.
Yeah.
So that comes with your Predator. We got the hardware here for it, and then we've got a cool, this is from Go Power Sports. We've got a cool throttle kit. It's gonna bolt up to the front of your engine up here, and that's gonna let us run that's backwards, but it'll let us run your throttle up to the bike.
Awesome.
So then we'll be able to get your engine mounted in, throttle to the bike. We'll swap this out for a much cooler exhaust pipe, little side exit, throw a muffler on there.
Oh, yeah.
So you don't anger the neighbors. And yeah, bro, you'll be looking pretty good. Clutch cover, clutch, chain, sounds like a lot. We're gonna rip pretty hard. So I just need you to hold stuff and we're gonna start rocking. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. So, first thing we're gonna have to do, Asher, is the little governor arm, throttle arm here. We're gonna have to drill a couple holes in it. By we, I mean I'm gonna have to drill a couple holes in it. So we're gonna put one through the side here that we're gonna run the actual throttle cable through, and then one up on top that's gonna be used for our return spring.
Sounds good.
Yeah, let me get those in here. Now we should just be able to pop these two little side cover bolts off. These in carefully. What's that?
I was like, nothing is careful here at Tyrannus.
Ouch, I mean, thank you. I mean, wow, this is really cool. This is a Go Power Sports special for the 79cc Predator engines. And this is really sick. This thing fits in here perfect, right under the throttle arm. We'll get this bolted up. We'll run our throttle cable through this, loosen this guy up some, get you a better return spring, and this is gonna be sweet.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Here we go, buddy.
That thing looks sick.
You got a race bike now, straight
Yeah.
piped. Oh my lord. Yeah, see if you can get that on there. Righty tighty, you've been practicing. Okay, we got engine plates good. We've got our throttle plate is set up. We'll have to get it on the bike and get the throttle through it. We've got your header on. We've got to get this in the bike. And yeah, buddy, you wanna roll that thing up?
Sure.
All right, bud. You wanna try and get this engine in?
Sure.
Let's see.
It's gonna fit. Perfect.
Oh,
So let's see.
that's awesome. So I'm gonna give you 2 of these.
Okay.
Put those through the front holes on the engine plate that go down to hold the engine to the bike, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So next up, we're gonna have to throw on your clutch cover. You got that over there? See that wrench right next to it too? Grab me that. check this out, Asher. On your chain, there will be a master link. If I can find it. Right here.
Awesome.
See how it looks different than the rest of them?
Yeah.
So this is a little clip that will actually come off.
Okay.
Let's get some gas in this thing. Very easy to overfill these little tanks, so you gotta go slow. In case this thing tries to run away on us, we're gonna face it up against the wall. And we're on a tight schedule, so we're gonna save the muffler for next time. We're staying straight piped, and we're just gonna send it. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Kill switch. We got some tuning to do.